get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with her. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
She is known for her glamorous sense of style and has released a number of her own clothing collections in recent years. And Myleene Klass proved her fashionable flair once again on Thursday night as she made a show-stopping arrival at Global's Make Some Noise Gala. The 39-year-old slipped her slender frame into a vibrant red gown, complete with ruffled neckline and daring thigh-high split, as she paraded the carpet at the swanky Supernova venue in London. The radio presenter certainly turned heads in the bright red gown, which plunged into a deep ruffled V-neckline to give a flash of her cleavage to all. Only making the look sexier, the floor-length frock also cut into a perilously high split on the skirt to display her long and slender legs underneath as she posed on the carpet. Cinching in at her slim waist with a sleek leather belt, Myleene then tied her look together with simple nude heels to keep all eyes on her eye-catching dress. She accessorized with a matching black clutcher bag and a selection of delicate gold necklaces for a hint of glitz as she posed. Styling her brunette bob into tousled waves and adding a smoky bronze eye and nude lip, the classical pianist was the picture of glamour as she beamed for cameras before heading inside with beau Simon Motson. Despite her confident red carpet appearance, the star recently opened up about the perils of fame and the difficult experience of it she had endured in her youth. Myleene rocketed to fame in Hearsay in 2000 after being chosen on ITV talent show Pop Idol, but had an unpleasant fall from fame just 20 months later when the band broke up. Speaking on the Build panel earlier this month about her battle with being judged as a woman, she revealed she bagged a theatre role just 2 days after coming out of musical school, but was constantly scrutinized about her weight. I was a size 10/12 on Miss Saigon straight out of music school, and I was told in front of a group of guys and girls to lose weight all the time in the most callous way, she claimed. Myleene discussed her turbulent time with Hearsay, which started out as a Big Brother-style social experiment. She revealed, "It felt like a parody, it didn't feel real as it happened so quickly. We couldn't be without each other as we became such a unit and would do everything together, even when the tour was over." After 20 months it all come to an end, my career finished when all my friends' careers were starting. And arriving next was singer Louisa Johnson, who slipped into a gown with an even more daring thigh-high split than Myleene. The 19-year-old exposed almost all of her long legs and her underwear-free frame in the sexy black dress, which also plunged at the chest to flash even more skin. Letting her outfit do the talking, she left her hair in soft, loose waves and accessorized with barely there black heels, embellished with gems on the straps. Charlotte Hawkins meanwhile showed no signs of stopping her glitzy displays at the gala, following her stint on Strictly Come Dancing. The Good Morning Britain presenter, 42, was effortlessly elegant in a lilac tulle midi dress, embellished with silver beads and sequins, as she posed at swanky venue Supernova alongside a host of other stars. The mother of one showed off her impressively slender frame in the dress, which stood out from the crowds with its dazzling bodice, embellished with sequins and gems all over. The frock remained very classic in style, pulling into thin spaghetti straps and cinching in her slim waist, before expanding into a ballerina-inspired all-midday skirt. Maintaining the glamorous feel from head to toe, however, Charlotte tied her look together with dazzling sequin peep-toe heels and matching drop earrings. Styling her hair into big, bouncy curls and adding minimal, glowing makeup, the newsreader let her radiant and youthful complexion shine through as she beamed widely for cameras. Charlotte is no stranger to glitz and sequins, having recently appeared on beloved BBC series Strictly Come Dancing. The ITV star was partnered with show stalwart Brendan Cole, but the pair were eliminated in the fourth week in a dance-off against EastEnders actor Dawood Ghidami. However, the pair have remained great friends, with Brendan even gushing the 2017 series had been one of his best, despite making his first appearance back in 2004. He said upon their departure, "Quite often you stand in this position and you go, 'Hey, it was our time to go,' and perhaps today it was our time to go." Not often you stand here with such sadness and go, "I'm going to miss this, and I'm going to miss hanging out with this girl." "I'm going to miss dancing with her. I've had one of the best Strictlys in 15 years, and it's hard for me to even say that, and I feel really emotional." Charlotte was joined by a host of other stars at the event, including fellow presenter Jenny Falconer. The 41-year-old slipped her svelte frame into a one-shouldered green lace gown, complete with semi-sheer skirt to flash her pins underneath. She upped the glamour with a delicate diamond necklace and tied her look together with clashing orange lipstick for a splash of color. Joining the girls was Kate Garraway, who showed off her envy-inducing frame in a slinky black jumpsuit, jazzed up by a gold chain belt.